As the senior school year comes to an end, Mr. Nichonovich's final senior lab project utilizes a real-life application of Archimedes' principle of water displacement and buoyancy. Students are required to design a boat capable of transporting 2 paddlers. They put their knowledge to the test in order to stay above the water. Students also take into consideration the error/leakage of the boat and if they can continue the race. The first step is to build a prototype to evaluate for durability and ease of construction. Students then construct a full-scale boat. Then, the races begin, and the students put their creations to the test. With several successes and even a few failures, overall, it is a fun learning experience for students.